Good morning, everybody. Well, I'm sorry the video is not live today. My preparing firewood for the tiny house. I didn't curse or swear or anything, so I'm not sure what terms I violated, but they said I did. So that's gonna be live when I get a chance. So I'm gonna get out there. It snowed and it's beautiful out there, and I'm gonna get out and clear the pathways and clear off the solar panels and show you how pretty the sun is shining on the snow on the pine trees, and hope this video gets up there to you soon. I had just made it live. Oh well, it's another day on YouTube. Good morning. Hey, Michelle, say good morning to everybody. Oh, you gonna be shy today?
Good morning, little buddy. Little buddy.
Little buddy. Michelle, say hello to everybody. She's shy today.
She's not smiling.
Oh, there's a little bit of power then. When the ice melts off, it'll be better. There's some frozen spots on it. Once the sun shines on there a few minutes, it'll start warming up and melt that off. Look at that. Pine trees in the winter can be so pretty. And there's this little fluff coming down as the breeze starts to blow it away. Look at that view. I just think that's amazing. Hey guys, it's quite pretty. It's snowing again. Can you see it? I can't see very well. The sun is blinding me. I'm gonna sneeze. It's quite pretty. Let me show you what I've been up to. Got the wood stove in here and chained up. I used chains to support the stovepipe and on the inside. And I've been checking it out. I'm doing a test burn. I don't know if you can see the heat radiating out there. Can you see that? Yeah, I think that shows up on the camera. You can see the heat radiating out. So I've got a big open gaping hole, but right now I wanted that open anyway because I'm doing a test burn. I've got to finish assembling the stovepipe, but I wanted to see about heat and temperature, and right here is not even, it's lukewarm to the touch. It's not even hot. And the walls are perfectly cool to the touch. Right here is fine. And I'm really just keeping an eye on things, okay? make sure it's going to be good, that I have the right clearances around that pipe right now. And in here, it's warm but not hot. I got to make sure I don't have to move that, and keep an eye on things. And if I have to, I'll put heat shielding around. But for now, I've got a cozy little fire going on in there, a little glow. And I'm trying to warm up the wood shop so I can get some work done today, as it snows outside. It's snowing pretty peacefully. So much for cleaning the solar panels off. Oh well. Winter is here. So I've got a piece of metal wherever it is. I think it's outside, and I'm gonna push the metal up against the wall and screw it on from the outside. I've already cut the hole around it, the opening, and then I'm gonna slide that up and screw it on all the way around the outside, a metal plate, and that'll be my homemade thimble, so to say. And I'm probably gonna do the exact same thing on the inside. So let the stove burn out, and then take off the pipe, put a piece of metal on the inside, and then fasten that, and I'll have like a thimble, so to say. And then I'll probably get some, I have to look and see about some, what kind of insulation I use on the stovepipes, and stuff that, if I ever insulate this wall, I definitely want to have an adapter or ring around that, a protective heat shield. But that isn't happening anytime soon, probably not this year. So, Melanie said lunch is about ready, and I got to get in there. I'm going to stoke up the fire, make sure it's loaded up, and go have lunch and get out here and do some woodworking. Hey guys, when I got my wood shop warmed up and nice and cozy, I started building these mining rig frames for sale, and I've got it beautifully sanded and pieced together. I've got the screw holes countersunk. See, I've got the screw holes all drilled and countersunk where they go through, and I'm very pleased with my off-grid wood shop. So now I have heat. I'm in the living room now because I let the fire go out, but now I've got heat and the ability to work off the grid in my fully off-grid wood shop. And this is what I did with my time. This took a couple hours because I'm really working and taking my time at it and doing it nice and lining up things as precisely as I can. So there's a package I'm putting together for sale. And yes, this is what I'm going to be doing on the side from now on, because, well, it's profitable at this time. So there you go, guys. That's it for another day. Another day is coming to a close. Troy from the Do-It-Yourself World and the Off-Grid Project. Talk to you later.